Montessori students celebrated Fruits Day as yummy for tummy. It was an extremely different experience for us. We have done fireless cooking and prepared so many different delicious dishes. Let's watch one of the best dishes. Hi friends, I'm Andrin Fatima. Today I'm going to make mango delight. The ingredients are mango 1 cup, pomegranate 4 tablespoons, condensed milk half cup, cherry 2 numbers, wafers 4 pieces. Take some mangoes and make the first layer. Now add some condensed milk. Then add some crushed wafers. Then add some pomegranate. Repeat these steps once again. Now we can garnish with cherry. Now it's time for tasting. Wow, it's really tasty. Definitely I will try this. You can also try this. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the show. Don't forget to try this. Thank you.